Guys, Jeremiah here, and I have a special treat for you. This week I asked you if you wanted to see my teriyaki shrimp recipe, and I got 100% yes, so here we are. We'll fix the rock and roll. Let's get started. I'm using Omaha steak. Instead of steak though, it's their Argentine red shrimp. So let me show you how to make this quick and easy teriyaki shrimp recipe. Let's get it. So I have the pan heating up already, the butter's rocking and rolling, it's already ready to go. But one thing I want to note while we're waiting on the heat, this shrimp comes frozen and you want to cook it frozen. Do not defrost it. First thing we're going to do actually is not put the shrimp in. We're going to put some garlic in. And gonna put a little onion. Shrimp is very high in protein, so about 4 ounces of shrimp gives you about 22 grams of protein. I'm gonna use all of this, so I just wanted to give you guys an estimate of what it is. All right, now that the onions are sauteed, time to throw the shrimp in. All right, so what I like to do is while it's cooking, while it's still frozen, I'm gonna throw a little onion powder, a little garlic, a little cilantro. Then I add my frozen broccoli. Then you just put the cap on, set a timer for 3 minutes, and let the microwave and the burner do all the work. Alright, the 3-minute timer is over. What you want to do, you want to stir it. You got to rotate every shrimp. Oh yeah, it's nice and brown, that's what you want. Now after you have all the shrimp rotated, you want to throw a little teriyaki. You want to put this teriyaki, this is what I've been using, it's the Kikkoman Teriyaki Original. Just a little bit. And a little bit of whisk and sour sauce. You want to turn the heat up just a hair bit, stir it up, put the lid back on, set another timer for 3 minutes. So it's almost done, and right before we finish up, I want to throw a little bit of lemon pepper on it, just to give it a little extra steam. Stir that up. And now it's ready to be plated. Now we just switch it over here to the plate. And that, my friend, is how you make teriyaki broccoli shrimp. It's good, it's delicious, I'm pretty excited. I'm starving to death. You know what that means, it's time to eat. If you liked the video, let me know. Hope you enjoyed it. You asked for it, I delivered. Teriyaki shrimp. Have a good day, guys.